Try to remember and answer all the questions in the chat. What do you think? Whether it understands machine language or high level language. Microcontroller. Type in chat. Srinivas, machine language. Nandini, machine language. What are the others? Okay, just announce. Machine language. Akshari, Madhavi, Kavya, everyone are saying that it's machine language. Good. That means microcontroller is also a machine. Understands the machine language. So, but tell me, can you understand machine language? Could you understand machine language? Yes or no? Can you understand machine language? No? Okay. Sneha, no more Srinivas, no. Good. That means we cannot understand machine language. Microcontroller cannot understand high level language. We can understand high level language, we can understand machine language. Then there is very much required to convert high level language to machine language because we write programs in high level language. Okay. And this particular PLC will convert high level language to machine language. That means it will give you a file called .hex file. Okay, .hex extension file. That the .hex extension file itself is a machine language program. That means it will have the hexadecimal codes. Those hexadecimal codes can be understood by the microcontroller and it will execute the programs. So what is important now right now? You need to understand how do you write the programs in PLC, how do you design the hardware, then how do you convert, what are the steps to be followed. Okay, all these things you are going to do. So PLC. So how do you download PLC software? Download. Okay. So it's a free version, but understand, remember the steps how I am downloading. Don't go in different sites and download. Okay, these are not original softwares. Okay, so follow the steps. So there are two softwares you have to download here. I'll tell you one by one. And these things you cannot do in your mobile. No mobile applications. It will not work. So definitely you need to have the system or laptop. If you don't have, I think most of you are coming to the lab. In the lab, the systems are there. In the systems, the softwares are already downloaded. If not, you have to download them. Then you can start practicing the programs as well as substituting. So this is the official website Keil.com. Go to here. Okay, just go to products download. Now there are different versions here. C2, C1, C166. Now let's download C51. Okay, microcontroller C51. Okay. So just download this one. Now it will ask you some information like what is your name and what is your last name, your email IDs, company, job title. Now you can give any dummy, okay, anything. It will ask mobile number, give anything, all lines. Okay, but whatever mail ID you are giving, whatever mobile number or whatever name you are giving, remember, let's select the country and select the state. Then this you can not require to check this box because we'll send you updates in email, not required. But here it's very important. You need to choose 8089C51. Just write down this 8089C51. If required, you can take in the screenshot. Now you remember name, email ID, and mobile number you are giving here, right? Or company name also. Remember all these fields because while installation it will ask you again. Then you have to click save. Okay. Then once you submit this one by checking this box, then you agree terms and conditions. Then submit this. So in the next page, it will give you the download option. Just download and install. Okay. Once you have done installation part, you will get like this. The icon will be like this. See, this is the icon. You will get like this. So, this Keil Micro Vision 5 is important, right? Now, how do you use this one? That one I will go. But before that, let's download one more software. I'll go to a website called Getting to PC. What is the website called? Get into PC. Get into PC. Remember the name I write down. Get into PC. So this is one. Get into PC. The website. Go here and search here for Proteus. Proteus software. Just click go. So there are so many versions here. Proteus Professional 2021. Digital Soundtrack Marketing. Proteus Professional 2022 free download. Then the latest one is 2022. 3 months ago it was uploaded. Okay. Just click on this. Sorry. And scroll down. Don't click all this. Don't click download add. Don't click this. Go down. Now this is the actual link to download the setup. Okay, download it. Now when you download this one, you are downloading zip file. Okay. So when you open, if it asks password, just give the password 1 2 3. Take the screenshot. Give the password 1 2 3. Once you are done download, zip folder will be downloaded. Okay. Now there are few things you have to do. Once you are downloaded, don't go away for installation. Don't go directly for installation. Okay. Don't do that. After downloading setup, what is the next step is you extract the files. All the files you will extract. Keep it in a folder. Folder will be created automatically. Keep in any drive. Okay. The next step is extract. After extract, there is a setup file for which you have to do installation. But before that, your setup file is ready to install. You have extracted all the files, everything is done. Then you are able to install. So before that, what you have to do? You just turn off your Wi-Fi or internet, anything. Then turn off your antivirus and turn off your Windows firewall. Okay. do all these things, then install. Okay, so there will not be any problem with the virus. Virus will not come. Don't download all other softwares. Don't do this method for other kinds of softwares. If you do this one, definitely virus will enter. So to overcome this, right? So do it only for this Proteus. Because why we are going, this is a cracked version, this is not original version. Proteus professional software which we are downloading is a cracked version. I'll show you the original version. Right? We need to go for lab electronics. This is the lab electronics. I'll show you the Proteus. Okay. Once you are done download, it will look like this. Proteus very professional. I have this version. When you download latest, you get latest version. Okay. This is labcentric.com. You need to go for labcentric.com. Not lab electronics, it's labcentric. When you go and download, actually see it. It's asking for to buy. Go for pricing. Packages, Proteus product. Right. It's giving so many things. So when you buy this one, it's very costly. It's maybe around 30,000, 40,000 software. Okay. So because we cannot afford this one, just go here and download this cracked version. Because why have gone to get into PC.com to download cracked version. Okay. So that's why you are because it's a cracked version. Your system, your antivirus, your Windows firewall may block to install. Then your installation will not become successful and may not be installed properly, and the Proteus will misbehave. Okay, you will not get the full version for this. You don't follow these instructions. Turn off your Wi-Fi, turn off antivirus, turn off Windows firewall. You do all these things. Then go for installation of the setup. Okay, do the installation. Complete installation. You know how to do installation. Do all these things. Now let's go to PLC. Okay. When you first time you open the PLC, I'm talking about PLC, not Proteus. Okay. When you open first time, it will look like this. Then go to project. Click on new project microvision. New microvision project. Click on this. Then you will give the file name. So let's say LED link underscore 23. LED link. Any name you can use, but always give the project name as your application. What kind of project you are doing? Give the same name. Don't give other names and your names or different names or any others. Okay, your nicknames also. Don't do. Always the appropriate names which is relevant to the application or a project. Then click on save. When you do this one, you will get one tab like this in dialog box. There is nothing here. You need to go for this option, legacy device data. If you have this particular option by default, keep that one like this. So make sure that you have all these names here. Okay, all these kind of devices is got. Okay. Then because I need XML company, I'll not go for scrolling here. I'll just simply search it. So what is my search is? I want 8051 microcontroller. If you type 8051 microcontroller, you get different. Okay? So don't do type just 8051 microcontroller. Actually, our device name is, remember, 80. 80 stands for Atmel company, and 89C stands for series. 89 series. 89C series. Then 51 stands for microcontroller 51. Okay. Click this one. This is 89C51 series. Now you can read the description. What is 89C51 microcontroller? It's a 8051 based fully static 24 MHz CMOS controller with 32 I volts. 32 I volts is 4 ports. 40, 41, 41, 40. And you have two timers or counters, which are given T0 and T1. You have 6 interrupts like INT 0 bar, INT 1 bar, TF 1, PI or RI, and this. So it will take 6 interrupts at 2 priority levels. 2 priority levels. It's a UART. It's not USART, it's a UART. It's transfer universal asynchronous receiver and transmitter. Okay, this is UART. UART microcontroller. 3-level program, okay, and memory lock is there, and 4 KB flash memory, which means ROM, 128 bytes on chip RAM. RAM is 128, ROM is 4 KB. So these are the specifications. So simply select this microcontroller 8051, which is 8851. Click OK. Then it will give you one more dialog box. We want to copy the startup file to the project folder. Okay, we don't want anything, we want only empty project. So click no here. Remember no, and most of you will do mistake here. You will click yes directly. Don't do that. Unnecessarily files will be added to your project folder, which is not required. Okay, so just click no here. Done. Now when you click this one, earlier you don't have anything here, but you got some folders here. What is that one? Your project folder you got. In the project folder, you have target 1. What is your target? And there is a source code. Okay. So, you have created project only. Just created project. That means, now you need to write a program in this project. So, to write any program, you need to have edit text file. Edit text file. So, what is edit? How do you get edit text file? Go down here, file. Go to file. Click on new. And the shortcut is Ctrl N. Click new. When you click new, you get this one. So you can write program here one by one. Instruction by instruction you can write here. But if you see here, what is file name here? The file name is text1. File name is text1. Okay. So we need to change this file name. So go to file. Click on save as. Click on save as. Then give LED, same name, LED blink underscore 23 dot UV project, microvision project. You just remember this and remove this one. LED blink underscore 23 dot. So to save edit text file, which we are doing right now, you need to do dot C, which is embedded C format. Okay. So the extension should be .c, not .uv project. UV project is for extension for folder, that is project file. But .c is the extension for the edit text file. Okay. Then click on save. So you got here LED blink underscore 23 dots. You got the name of the file. Now I can start writing a program. So how do I do? So first I need to write hash include. Correct? Hash include. Now in C language we have written like this. We have written like hash include stdio dot. Correct? Now written this. But this standard input output device header file will not be there. Here what you have header file is reg51 This is the header file. Okay. Right. Now you will have void main, same void main. Then open and close the main. Now I have to write the program. I'll take unsigned int. Unsigned int means positive integers. Right? It's a positive integers. Yes. Unsigned integers. Just give me a second. Unsigned int I can give. Okay. Unsigned int I. Just give the semicolon at the end. And give unsigned int. Instead of int I'll take characters. Char x comma y. Just try to observe the program. Don't worry, you'll understand this. Okay. So unsigned int I, unsigned char x and y, x comma y. Then let me use port 1. You know, there are 4 ports for microcontroller. For timing, I'm using port 1. Initially, make reset port 1. How do you do reset? Just give the value 0x0, which means that you are assigning the values like this. See. So 0x is higher byte, 0 is lower byte. So 0 is hexadecimal code, which means 0 0 0 0 and 0 0 0 0. Means all zeros are given. Okay. All zeros are given to the port 1. Now let's have the loop. I'm using while loop, which you already know. And the condition I'm giving 1, which means that it's infinite loop. Okay. While of, I'm writing in the comments also, try to observe. While of 1 means it's a infinite loops. It's an infinite loops. So open the loop and close the loop like this. Open the flower bracket, close the flower bracket. So inside the loop, I'll take one variable x. X is equal to 0x01. What does it mean? 0x01 means we are assigning the value like this. X is equal to, I'm giving this one 0000 0001. I'm giving. Okay. That means the lower people, I'll say lower LSB bit. LSB bit is 1. Okay. So that LED will blink. Right. Now let me give the time delay. For loop I am using for y equal to 0. Right. And y less than, it's a repetition. Y less than 8 means I'm connecting 8 LEDs. Right. Then let's increment y value, y plus plus. Okay. Then open and close the for loop. So here, just assign the value of x to port 1. Assign x value to p1. Okay, this is what assigning x p1 equal to x is assigning the value of x to p1. Okay, and so after assigning the port 1 LSB bit will become 1 and the first LED will blink. Then let's maintain this one for some delay. Let's say let I equal to 0 and I less than give some time delay. Let's say 50,000. I plus plus give the time delay. Then, so let's go for shift operation. Shift left, shift right by 1. Shift right by 1. So actually the lower nibble is 1. Then the value becomes 1. The value is like 0 0 0 0 0 0 1 0. So actually it's a left shift. You shift left. Shift left by 1. Okay. So for loop is closed, while loop is closed, and the program is closed. Let's reduce number of lines. Okay. What will happen now? Just understand the program. That's it. Try to understand. You understand after designing circuit also. Let me show you the circuit design. So when you open Proteus, before that, do you have any doubts now? Let me know in the chat. Any doubts? Do you have any doubts? Yes. Just give me a second. So when you open Proteus, you will get this kind of screen. This one. Then what you have to do? Just click on a new project. That is, click on new project. Okay. So when you open, a new project, you will get this file, this dialog box. What you have to do, just give the file name, like this. So don't remove .pds prg. Okay, Proteus design simulation project. So don't remove Proteus design. So don't remove. And before dot, you need to use the name like LED blink, LED blink underscore 23. I'm doing same thing. LED blink 23. Okay, so wherever fold, whichever path you need to do, you can give here. I have given the C drive. The final path is in documents. So new project, click on next. So create schematic, only click default only. So no need of taking any design view. Click next. And do not create PCB. We are not doing PCB in this one. We'll discuss this one in upcoming classes. Click next. Now firmware project. Yes. Click next. And finally finish. So after clicking on final finish, you will get this kind of screen. You can see on the screen. Okay. So then we need to have the devices. So there are so many options. We'll understand all these options in our upcoming classes. We'll understand project by project, so many options. So for time being, see few options I'll tell you. This is selection mode. This is component mode. Now be in component mode. Okay. Select the B in component mode. So this block is for rotation of the devices. Okay, go here. Then option called P and L. Now, click P. P is nothing but pick the device. Click P. Then it will ask you which device you want to pick. Search for the device. I want microcontroller 805. 18, 890C, 51 I want. Okay. 80, 890C, 51. So when I type this one, I'll get the devices name for menu. Now I'll take this one. Okay. 80, 890C, 51, microcontroller access. Now when I double click for this one, this device will appear here. See here, in this space below P and L, there are no devices. But when I click this one, I'll get this device name. So I'll just double click here. You got the device here? Yes. So your device is picked up. Then go for LED. So let me take red LED. You can take color LEDs also. Red LED I am taking. Now there are so many LEDs. Always choose this animated. Okay. Animated LEDs. And see here. Red LED. Okay. There are different options here. After electronics, animated LED. Red, blue, green. Different colors will be. Now just double click on this device. This will appear. Okay. Now just click OK here. Right side bottom. Click OK. Now click on this device and drag and drop here. Then click here. Now when it is in pink color, see the device is the microcontroller is in pink color. Now when it is in pink color, I can move anywhere. So try to keep in the this particular box, square blue color box. Now I'll keep here. So once I kept here, my device will appear. Because it's invisible, I can go for zoom here. There is zoom out and zoom in. These options. Just zoom here. Okay. So I got it. Now let me place LED, red LED like this. Now let me place 8 LEDs here. Okay, like this. I'll put 8 LEDs. I just move a little bit. Yeah. I just adjusted. Yes, I have done this one. Now what we can do, we need to give the connections. So LED, you have two terminals. One is anode, this is cathode. Anode, cathode. Anode, cathode. Like this, all terminals, two terminals. Now I am giving all LEDs to port 1. Port 1.0. This is 1.0, 1.1, 1.1 up to 1.0. All 8 pins I am connecting like this. So how do you these connections, give connections? See here. I have a pencil symbol here. Bring this pencil symbol near to this point. Okay. When you bring here, there is a pink color dot. When you get this pink color dot, give one click. Just one click. Then just move the cursor like this. So it will come like this. In which direction you want to go, you can go. But if I go like this, it is going over the line. So give one more click. It will take the turning. So I have given one click. Coming here. How do you join here? When you come here, there is a red color dot here. Dot is formed. Then give one more click. So connection done. Okay. Like this you need to do for all. Okay, I am doing this. Okay. Okay, all 8 connections are good. So where do you connect these cathodes? All these cathodes must be connected to the common terminal, which is the ground. So where do you get ground? So left side you see terminals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8th option. Top to bottom, 8th option. There is an option for terminals. Click on terminal. Then take this ground. Okay. Put it here, ground. Select this ground. And connect to all common cathodes must be connected to cathode, ground. So here you have learned that for LED there are two types of LEDs called common anode and common anode. We are making cathode common. See here, all cathodes are connected to ground, one terminal. This is nothing but common. You can connect in a straight way. Okay. All are connected to the ground. So this is done. Now see here, D1 is connected to port 1.0. Whenever port 1.0 is 1, this LED will blink. Whenever port 1.1 is 1, this LED will blink. Okay. Now let's dump the program. Before dumping, go back to our program. Keil software. So this is Proteus software. Go to Keil. Okay, go here, Keil. Now we have already written the program. What are the next steps you have to do? Just give me 5 minutes. I'll tell you the next steps so that you can start practicing. Okay. So I'll repeat this one. Don't worry. You'll understand after listening to 3-4 programs and projects. Definitely understand the whole process. Okay. Now I have written this program. Go to file, click save. We have saved the program. Okay. And there is an option called target 1 and source group 1. Just what you have to do, click this source group 1, right click on this, do the right click and add existing files to group source group 1. Okay. Add existing files to group to source group 1. Then it will ask you which file you want to add. Now give the file name, it's already given, LED link underscore 23 dots. Take this one. The file you have given for dot C for file. Okay. Click add. When I give this click add, when you click on this, I'll get a plus symbol. This file will be added. Just observe. Let's then close this dialog box. See here, I got plus symbol. Correct? That means this particular file is added to source book. Then what you have to do? Go to projects. Okay. Come down. Click on the build target. Build the target. So when you click on build the target, you will get if any errors or warnings are presented. How do you run the program? Select this. Here you need to click on build the target. Okay. Observe here. The program is built. If any errors you got, it will give you here. Okay, there is an error. What is the dash void unsigned that v1 y1 is equal to 0x01 for y1 this one you need to give double. This is a loop. Okay. Let me save and build once again. Let's see if any errors are there. See here, there are no errors, zero warnings. No errors, no warnings. This our program is correct. Now just observe how do you convert this high level language program into low level language, that is machine language. Okay. Then go to target, right click on the target, and there is an first option called options for target. Click on this. Okay. There is a dialog box. With this dialog box, what you have to do? Right. So here the megahertz is 24 hertz is needed, but don't give this one. Give 11.0592 megahertz. It's already in megahertz. Give 11.0592. Remember this one. Okay. Try to write down or take this screenshot. So check this box. Use on chip ROM. You can use on chip or off chip. On chip means internal ROM. Off chip means external ROM. Okay, click on this. Right. 0x FF. Okay. Go to output. Then there is an option called create text file. Text format. Click on this. Okay. Then just click OK. Click OK. Right. Now go to project once again and build the target once again. After doing these changes, again you need to do the build target. Otherwise, you will not get the next one. Okay. So here we got this one. So there is an option called creating X file from. That means your X file is created. Then go to Proteus, our design. Double click on the microcontroller. Double click on microcontroller. So here there is a program file. You need to browse. You have to browse for program file. Click on this folder. So where is my folder? Go to my PC, C drive. There is an option called projects. Then there is an objects. So here you will have LED blink underscore 23 dots. Okay. We need to search for this. Where is my file? Okay, I did not have this one. Let me check where that find. So LED blink underscore 23 objects only. Just give me a second. We'll see. If it is not found, I'll show you later. But for timing, it's such. If you did not get, you take anything, no problem. LED blink new or anything. .x. Open that folder .x. So just no created. Now here you need to give 11.0592. The same frequency which I have given in the clock frequency. The standard practical clock frequency for 8051 microcontroller is 11.0592 gigahertz. Click OK. So in the bottom there is an option called left to bottom. See, there is an option called run. It's like a play button. Just click on this run. Observe the circuit. Can you see the red LED is made on? Second is on. Third is on. Fourth is on. Fifth is made on.